Dear students, in this video I'll explain you how to draw bending moment and shear force diagram. This is the question. I'll first read out the question, then we'll draw the load diagram for the beam. A beam 8.5 meter long rests on supports 5 meter apart. A beam 8.5 meter long rests on supports 5 meter apart. So suppose these are the two supports, then this distance is 5 meter. That is, the distance between the two supports is 5 meter. The right hand overhanging its support by 2 meter. That means if this is the right hand support, then the beam is overhanging by 2 meter. Similarly, left hand is overhanging its support by 1.5 meter. Suppose this is the left hand support, then the beam is hanging 1.5 meter towards its left. The beam carries a uniformly distributed load 50 kilonewton per meter run between the supports only. That means the beam carries a load of 50 kilonewton meter between the supports only. So the beam carries uniformly, that is UDL, uniformly distributed load along the run, that is 5 meter between the supports only. The intensity of loading, that is W, of this UDL is 50 kilonewton per meter. The beam also carries a point load of 60 kilonewton at the extreme right hand. This is the extreme right hand. Here the beam carries a point load of 60 kilonewton. Sorry, the beam carries a point load 60 kilonewton at the extreme right hand. Sorry, the beam carries a point load of 60 kilonewton at the extreme right hand, and a point load of 40 kilonewton, sorry, this is not 60, 40 kilonewton at the left hand. Now we have to construct the shear force and bending moment diagram, and also stating there on all the important values of shear force and bending moment diagram. That is, we have to state all the important salient points, and also we have to find out the position of the points of inflection on the beam. The points, I'll explain this term inflection later in the video.